Use this procedure to add a group of items to inventory as a style. To add a new style, display your item list and select Add. A blank Add Item form is displayed. Enter the item name. We will name this HP computer. Choose the item type, which will be inventory. The department, let's type in computer, HP, and enter. It's telling us that the department computer HP does not exist. Would you like to add it as a department now? We're going to click Add Department. The item's description, we will copy and paste. We will click the Style button. It will ask us if we want to save changes and continue. We will click Yes. The Style window is displayed. We want to enter information that is common to all items in the style in the item fields in the upper section of the window. Let's add the computer sizes. Let's add the computer colors to the top. The black, white, gray, blue, and red. For the sizes, we'll have the computer sizes going down. 15-inch, 17-inch, 19-inch. Oops, let's change that. And then we'll go with the 21-inch. The axis labels will reflect your custom item description labels. This creates a line in your item list for those items. When you first receive the new items on a receiving voucher, Point of Sale will add the received quantities. Leave a cell blank if you do not plan to carry a particular size attribute combination. If the style items are already physically in the store and not being received on a voucher, you can enter the actual on-hand quantities instead of zeros. We'll put some zeros. We already have some of these on hand. But remember, don't leave them blank or you won't be able to add anything. Go 7 there, go 2 here, 6, whoops, okay, move that over. And I guess we have a lot of red in stock. We can select Save. Look at all of our HP computers. You can go back in, you can edit individual style items as necessary to reflect the unique UPCs, cost, prices, etc. And that concludes our demonstration on how to add a new style.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about Point of Sale. Thank you, everybody.